that one big, this sports indoor stadium should be set up in Tripura. I assured him that of course we have mind and in future we are going to do so. A 200-bed sports hostel will be constructed at the sports complex in Badargarh. During this period, 50 more open gymnasium will be set up at different locations of Tripura. Sports infrastructure with facilities such as gallery, an international standard swimming pool, a national football field, and a multi-purpose sports hall will be developed at Bholagari in Agartala. This type of championship is not merely a competition. It's an opportunity for young badminton players to gain exposure. I extend my sincere appreciation to the organizing committee for organizing such a grand event. Players participating in this event, I would say, play with integrity, give your best, and respect your fellow competitors. Win or loss is a part of game. So let us continue to promote sports, support our athletes, and build a stronger, healthier, and more united Northeast. Last but not the least, I urge upon all the players and dignitaries from Northeastern region, there is game, but after completion of the game, you must visit the different attractive transit tourist spots across the state. With this, I conclude my speech. All the best to all of you participants over here. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. It's a pleasure to have Professor Dr. Manik Shah sir among us, who has been a famous scholar of the state of